Beer Champ barbecuers. Today we're cooking for 10 people for around 20 bucks. How can you do that? Let me show you. And when I say around 20 bucks, we're right there, with the exception of like rubs and like oil, any of that type of stuff that you should have in your pantry. That's the only exception here. But this will feed over 10 people, 20 bucks, and leftovers for sure, especially when you're dealing with taters. But it's good. I could feed 30 people with ramen, right? We're not doing that. We're having barbecue, baby. In the pit boss. Oh, and we started some moves here in the shanty. So with summer coming, spring first anyway, nice weather that is, I'm going to be opening this up, which you can see this is going to be the main wall where all the cookers, with the exception of the pit boss over here, and it just flows a lot better. I have a gasser grill, which I never use, it's just a tabletop, but it's nice, so I can't get rid of it, right? And all of this will be open where all the clear plastic is, and obviously you can see the sun shining. It's not the warmest today, but tomorrow in the 50s, spring is in the air, baby. We are doing up barbecue chicken, some awesome potatoes, and bacon wrapped asparagus. Oh hell yeah. With Uncle Steve's shake, gator shake on the chicken, and most likely on everything. Oh hell yeah. I got my handy assistant here, Damien. He's gonna supervise to make sure I don't mess anything up. Oh, the excitement. All right, are you ready to season up the potatoes? Okay, so what you're gonna do, you take this, you're gonna lightly sprinkle. Try that out. You can squeeze a little bit all over everything, drizzle it. I think it needs a little bit more. Try it out. What? All over. There you go. All right. Now, we're going to go for some of this. What's it called? Can you read it?
Uncle Steve's snake.
Snake? What? Uncle Steve, what?
Uncle Steve's snake.
No. Uncle Steve's
Shake. Gator shake.
Okay, so we're going to open that up and you're going to shake it all over the potatoes.
Yes.
All right. Not too heavy. Light, light, light. Okay. Whoo, you got excited. You can reach that? You're such a big boy. How old are you going to be?
8 tomorrow morning.
Boom.
And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to wake up at 8 o'clock and play Fortnite with Aunt Lindsay.
All right.
That's my schedule.
So, hard schedule being 8 years old. Fortnite.
Oh, this thing's got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layer tray. You can cook a granted glory life in that.
Oh yeah. You can actually put 7 trays in this one.
He did.
Right.
You can cook all of this, and this will be able to last us. If you filled every single tray with a lot of food, that would be able to last us like a year. I mean, like a month.
Yeah.
It would last us the whole camping week. Great Wolf put together.
All right, Damien, what do you got?
I just got a gator shake for my dad. A tiny one for my omelets in the morning. That smells good. And we put it on our asparagus. This is going to be a good one. Uncle Steve's shake.
Yes, and it smells...
Delicious.
Yeah, because you've been huffing on it all day. What are you going to do with it?
I'm going to put it on my omelets every day.
Where are you going to cut?
Right here.
Right there? Ready? Got it? Almost? Yeah. All right. Good job. Okay. What are you going to do with all those?
Put in the garbage.
Yeah. Fine. Here's your bunch. Let me get you a strip of bacon. There you go.
You start from the bottom.
Yeah. You want to make it tight. Don't want to waste any. Alright, let me... Okay. Well, here, you see mine? All you gotta do is slide her down. Yep, that works, right? Grab another bunch. You got a good bunch?
Yep. Got 4.
Alright.
Actually 5. Start right.
Whatever you want. Yep. Keep going. Keep it tight.
Yeah!
Alright.
Let me get another bunch. 5 again.
Right, keep going, but go that way. There you go.
Look it up, look that one!
Not bad, not bad. On your birthday you can. It's fine. Straighten it out. That's all.
I touched with my other hand. Are they gonna have to stack on each other?
No, you're gonna push them tighter. Yep, slide them on over. There you perfect. Nice and there you go. You're doing a good job. Use your bare hands. Hey, where are you going?
I was trying to write my wife about when we got.
It's too cold, dude. Letting all the heat out. Close the door. See, they fit perfect. Get away from that heat.
You already drizzled it. Are we gonna? Can I pour it?
Yep.
Why?
Well, you gotta do it like this, girl. Very simple. Yep. Ready? You got it. Yep. Well, you gotta pour it a little bit. Get a little. Okay. Okay, good.
Now, you want to get that bacon nice. It's a tip. Get your bacon nice. That's how Oh!
Oh yeah, 165. All right.
Oh yeah! It's Gator Shake.
All right, the chicken thighs hit 165. You want to loosely tent them. Or you can put barbecue sauce on them, put them back in, uncovered, and let that sauce adhere. But I'm going with a crispy skin, oh hell yeah, and those potatoes and asparagus. Almost done. Oh hell yeah. So about another 15 minutes while this is tenting, that stuff will all be done. Everything's coming together. Oh hell yeah. Oh. Let's check this out. This chicken. Oh hell yeah. Chicken thighs. I mean, come on. That skin, nice and crispy. Wow. In the Pit Boss. 350, 2.5 hours. Wow. That, oh, with that Gator Shake, oh my. And my son, Damien, loves that Gator Shake. Uncle Steve, I gave him one of those little sample bottles. He wants that on his omelets every morning. He was sniffing it, licking it. I had to clean the whole cap out of it. Boy, it's good stuff. I ain't licking mine, but Gator Shake, boys. Everybody, girls, go get yourself some. Damn, it's good stuff. On chicken, holy. Let me tell you what, that is remarkable. That is dynamite. That is delicious. Check this out. I mean, seriously. Crispy, delicious, perfect. And let's check this out. Asparagus wrapped in bacon. Same thing. Pit Boss. That is so perfect. Wow. Wow. Absolutely dynamite. Whoo. Yeah, I had to get a shake on it as well. And this potato, let's cut that. Oh, she's steaming. That is very good as well. Now, it doesn't get crispy like I was expecting all the way through. This here, this you could turn into something awesome. Sour cream and chives on top of that. Mash it down. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, she hot. She hot. Oh, yeah. That chicken. Oh, hell yeah. Dynamite meal for 10, for 20 bucks. You can't go wrong. And there's going to be a lot of left. I mean, seriously, the potatoes, there's another 6 pounds at least. So, when you do something like this, so when you do something like this, you have another 6 pounds of potatoes. You have hash browns for breakfast. You have baked potatoes for lunch. You have some sliced up potatoes for French fries. Whatever you want to do, hell yeah. Spend your money wisely, and you can make it go a long way. And I got 4 kids, so that's how I do it. Anyway, folks, this was Dynamite. The shanty is changing a little bit. Things are moving and shifting, and I got some builds in the future coming up. And either way, we're going to keep on cooking. So, subscribe if it's your first time here. Hit the thumbs up, comment down below, and smash that dinner bell. That's what time it is. Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today we are doing up something different. No, not really. Beer Champ Barbecuers. Today, what I am going to do is cook. Obviously, I'm going to cook.